Hi guys, and welcome back to Farmers. In this video, I want to share with you what some of my pharma colleagues are making out there in the industry. Stay tuned. We've probably all have heard of the term Big Pharma, but what does it actually mean? These are actually the top leading pharmaceutical companies in the world, either by revenue or by market capitalization. As a pharmacist, I know that people always misunderstand the full scope of a pharmacist. Some people think all we do is count pills, but that is far and nothing could be furthest from the truth. Counting pills is actually the last thing that a pharmacist will do. It starts with drug creation, conceptualization, research, development, manufacturing, and then dispensing. A lot of these pharma companies also have positions such as drug utilization and analysis, where pharmacists take careful consideration of all the outcomes of drug administrations. You also have clinical pharmacists that do similar jobs where they assess and control the pharmacotherapy accuracy of all your regimens. They kind of babysit your doctors, because if your doctor prescribes something that isn't within the guidelines or the regimen, a pharmacist is most likely going to pick it up, correct the pharmaceutical error or prescription error, and send it on for administration to the patient. In any case, let's look at what some of these colleagues of mine are making around the world. The first company we're going to look at is Pfizer, the almighty Pfizer. Well, a typical pharmacist working as a DUR&A is going to make on average between 159,000 US dollars to 180,000 US dollars per annum. That is a whopping 15,000 US dollars a month. Are your jaws dropping yet? This includes both your basic and bonus plus compensation packages. These salaries are as of January 27th, 2022, so they're pretty fresh and crisp, but I do need to put out a disclaimer to say they are according to the Glassdoor and Salary.com websites. I don't personally know anyone who works at these companies, so I had to look up what the internet says and kind of base my estimates off of there. The next big pharma giant is none other than Johnson & Johnson. This big guy pays on average its pharmacists 162,000 US dollars a year. The range is from 151 to 172, but again, it's pretty much a sliding scale. Up next is Novartis, who pays their clinical pharmacists from 126 to 136,000 US dollars per annum. As mentioned before in many of my previous videos, clinical pharmacists used to be the highest paid subsector in pharmacy. Now you get nuclear pharmacists that are the highest paid pharmacist specialty in the world, making up to 70 US dollars per hour. Back to our big pharma salaries. Next on the list is Roche. The European giant pays its pharmacists on average up to 127,000 US dollars per year. That's including your base and bonus plus compensations. Finally, let's close with a bit of research pharmacist salaries coming from none other than fellow giant Abbott Laboratories. These guys specialize in research and development, and they pay their research pharmacists an average of 122,000 US dollars a year. That's coming from a lower scale of 114,000 all the way up to 131,000 per annum. These salaries are pretty impressive, but you have to remember that it matches the skill. But it's all based on the outcome of this skill. A lot of you would be dead by now. Pharmacists actually do save lives by ensuring pharmacotherapy accuracy, by acting as last safety checks before patients get their drugs administered, and preventing deadly and life-threatening drug interactions, which are sometimes not caught or overlooked by other healthcare professionals. For that reason, Mr. and Mrs. Pharmacist, you better catch that coin and keep on doing the amazing work that you do. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.